Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here, and if you're looking to sell on Amazon and you don't have a big budget, you're in the right place, because in this video we're going to be looking at getting started on a very small budget. Okay, so let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So it's good to have you here in the studio. So if you have less than $1,000, a common question you get asked is, can you start something on Amazon? Now let me give you a quick example. One of our students recently bought or started their first order on $800, $800, right? So less than $1,000, they actually got their product on Amazon. There is no minimum order or minimum quantity you need on Amazon. There is, you just got to ensure that when you buy from the supplier and the factory, and that they're happy with the MOQ or the minimum order quantity. And this particular product was very lightweight, it was very inexpensive, and they started basically on $800 to actually have their product from the supplier in China on Alibaba in the Amazon warehouse in the USA. $800. So you don't need a lot of money. Some people think, oh, I need $10,000 or $20,000 to get my product on Amazon. That is simply baloney, all right? You can actually start on less than $1,000. Now, it does largely depend though on your product. Now, if you have a product and it's expensive, and maybe it's electronics, or maybe it's furniture, or maybe it's fishing rods or something like that, then it might be a different story. But some products, if it's small, inexpensive, lightweight, there's a good chance you can start for less than $1,000, maybe $1,500, but again, it largely depends on the product that you choose, all right? So yes, the answer is you can get started on a small budget if you know how. Now, if you want to find out more information, guys, check out the link on this video or below this video. We've got free reports, free cheat sheets, and we've also got a free video series at my website. So my name's Alex Ryan, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and hopefully I'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products, and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?